Okay, so we're now on the western side of Cebu, and we're in Samboan, rung by Tangbo, I think. And we're doing Aguinid Falls, and this is the parking area. You can see there's all kinds of friendly people waiting to sell you stuff. Oh, they have water shoes. Luckily, I just got my own water shoes. So this is where you park, and the ladies have already gone up. Now, Aguinid Falls, I can't recommend this place enough. This place is fantastic. It's like an Indiana Jones adventure. You're climbing ropes, you're jumping over crevices, and hopefully along the way you don't have any major injuries to any of your skeletal structure. And they give you a safety briefing up here, and you can store your stuff, and that's what we're gonna do right now. As you can see, the fee is quite reasonable. Hi everybody, we're back. It's only 60 pesos a head.
Okay, then you will be guided to technical guide, Summit Andrew. Please.
And we have guides, and then you have to give the guide a tip at the end. And they have a pretty cool job. As you'll see, the guides have a really cool job. It's not a bad gig if you can get it. 30-minute from Hot Spring, Mainit? Huh. I don't know if I believe that. Miss Aguinid Tourism 2014. That's one thing they like to do here in the Philippines. They like to put up stuff and then never take it down. This is from January 24th, 2014. It's 4 years old. And it fades and it looks tacky.
Okay, good afternoon and welcome to Aguinid Waterfalls. So here's our rules. The most important: food, drinks, bottled water, and smoking are not allowed inside. So we have 6 levels, level 0 up to level 5. Every level's 2 to 3 minutes, and it's more on climbing. Level 0, shallow area, so viewing level, or if you like a photo, you can have it here. Level 1, 3 to 4 feet, so you can swim, but avoid jumping. Level 2, waterfall rock climbing, so all you have to do here before you climb, you have to remove first your slippers, ma'am.
Yes.
The rest, okay lang na siya. Follow the steps, at the same time, there's a rope, so you have to hold.
Sir, from what country you came from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, Canada.
And you're also from Canada?
I'm not sure where she's from. Thailand?
Thailand?
Vietnam.
She's Vietnam. Vietnam.
Miss Vietnam? Miss Thailand?
Miss Thailand? Miss
Taiwan?
Malaysia. Malawi. So after a short jaunt up the hill a bit, you get to the first level. You can go swimming here, but you can't go jumping in the water. It's too shallow. I'm glad I got my water shoes. I just got these yesterday. They're made by Cressy. And what's cool is the rocks here aren't slippery because they're limestone. And that's good. Because slipping on rocks isn't fun. Ooh, that's so nice. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Adventure. Tough life in the Philippines. Level 3. Nice. course.
Yeah, just a jump with a GoPro.
Nah, I don't want to get this wet. Alright, so Lynn's volunteered to go first. And hold on, wait. And it's a big jump. But she's not scared. I don't think. Are you scared? Cero miedo. There she goes! Outstanding. This is the one where you have to bend your legs in the middle. So, the screaming makes it just all the better. Okay. What a classy lake. Alright, so we just did level 5 and now we're at the final level, level 6. This is one you can't jump into, but you can take a shower underneath it. This is the last level. Now at some point they're going to open up levels 7 and 8. I thought they were supposed to do it this year, maybe next year, but they're going to go beyond even this. This is another beautiful waterfall. You can see all the limestone, which is great because it's not slippery. It's very porous, so it gives you a lot of traction. So you're not slipping and sliding all over the place. And again, on a hot day, to get away from Dumaguete, get away from Cebu, just come down here, chill out, climb ropes, jump crevices, climb cliffs, just have a party. And she's getting ready to do photos. So, I'm tired. I'm tired. So after the final level, we're heading back down to level 0, level 1, and hopefully we'll survive the descent. Yeah. It's been that kind of day. Oops. I'm glad I got that on video. Uh-oh. There's a hospital nearby.
Last jump.
Last jump.
You want to go that way?
Do I want to go this way? Di ko gusto.
Okay.
Molto cosa dito. Don't.
But,
Washing clothes, washing my bandana. Alright. You're always doing something. Always doing something. Yeah, like that. Adventure. My back is jacked, so this should be fun.
like Batman.
Now some bad news on my water shoes that I just got yesterday. They're already ripped, they're already torn. So whatever you do, don't be like me as usual and buy crusty water shoes. Get something that's got reinforcement like all the way up to here, rubber. Hard rubber. This is just bad design.
Comfortable? What's cool over there, I go over there but I don't get my camera wet. The water's been going down those roots of that tree for so long that they've basically formed stalactites or stalagmites or whichever ones they are from all the limestone. It's pretty cool. Okay. Strange girl. Strange girl. All right, so our time at Aguinid has come to an end. We survived. The only thing that broke is my water shoe. I had a great time. Lynn, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Jessica, what do you think? Nice? So happy. Rika?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. It's very nice. Okay, so that's consensus. We have consensus. Finally, at last, there is consensus. A bipartisan movement recommending Aguinid Falls. I recommend this over Kawasan Falls because Kawasan has really got commercialized. It's all tables. They got karaoke there. They charge you to just put your stuff down on the ground. It's just a blatant tourist trap, and it looks horrible because they actually built up another platform. They did like, it's not good. But anyways, so we're done here at Aguinid. We're gonna go grab a coffee. We gotta pay our guides, our technical guides. Thank you to Sam and the other guy. I forgot his name. Erwin. And isn't that? We'll see you next time on Philippine Dreams. $8.50. I guess if you want good water shoes, you got to spend more than $8.50.